Guys, we're creating such an amazing community here on YouTube. This channel, it's all about support and helping each other grow. That's why I'm kind of excited to announce that we finally have a members only section. Now, as a member, you're going to have access to some pretty awesome perks, such as you're going to have your own personalized badge or emojis that you guys can use throughout the comment section. And also you're going to be able to network with other professionals within the industry that's a part of our team. And the best perk of all, you're going to have full access to our library of videos, because guess what, guys? Starting this week, some of the videos on my channel, you're only going to be able to view if you are a member. So smash that join button, become a VIP member of the Mr. Bubbles Army, and I will see you guys on the other side. Bubbles out.